There's a push to overturn a city council ordinance in Pueblo. Earlier this month, Pueblo City Council passed that ordinance which prohibits needle exchange programs. Well, according to the city, voters have now filed a referendum to petition to reverse that decision. News 5's Eleanor Sheehan shares what that process looks like going forward.
Access Point here in Pueblo has provided a needle exchange program for many years, but with this new ordinance, they've had to stop. The program's health manager tells me they would like to see this ordinance overturned. The mission here at Access Point is to decrease the spread of infectious disease.
We have evidence from before we opened until now, and HIV cases, while they are still going up in Pueblo, they are decreasing among people who use drugs.
They anticipate not having a needle exchange program will cause more harm to the community.
Looking at the evidence of what's happened in other communities, we can anticipate more infectious disease transmission and higher overdose rates.
In a press conference, Mayor Heather Graham said the needle exchange ban is on hold for 30 days.
I believe, I'm not 100% sure on this, but I think it's on hold for 30 days until they know if they have the amount of signatures that they need to have.
Today, we clarified with the city that the needle ordinance is actually still in effect. The city says the ordinance became effective when the mayor signed it on May 16th. Voters have filed a referendum with the city. Now they are collecting signatures for a petition. The city says the ban became effective when the mayor signed it on May 16th. Voters have filed a referendum with the city. They are now collecting signatures for a petition. If they collect 1,403 signatures from registered Pueblo voters and present it to City Council by June 12th, the ordinance will be suspended. City Council will then reconsider the ban, which could push it to a public vote on the ballot in November. There is controversy over whether or not banning needle exchange programs will impact drug use in Pueblo.
Fentanyl is a nationwide problem, and there are a lot of communities that don't have syringe access programs. They still see fentanyl use.
These needles are being used as a tool for people who are addicted to drugs, and I think that that's what the council was trying to do, was try to limit some of that availability and how people are injecting themselves with fentanyl and meth.
But Access Point thinks differently.
There's a lot of people that need help, and this ordinance will limit how much we are able to help people.
Access Point says ordinance or not, they will continue to provide their behavioral health services as well as give out other supplies such as Narcan and fentanyl test strips. In Pueblo, Eleanor Sheehan, News 5.